again. Welcome to Debbie's Fix or Foul from the car boots now. What is this? What? I mean, what? Actually, when you look at it, you'll think, what on earth has she got there? This wasn't even from the car boot sale. This was from a garage sale. My friend kept it aside for me and just sent me a photo of it. And she said, Debbie, would you like it? And I was like, oh, yes, please. I don't know what it is, but oh my God, that is what it is. What's it got to be? It's a Aspirator atomizer electro drain. Since then, I've found out it is a medical drainage machine. Christ knows what you drain. At least it's not the back side, because the tube, well, I don't know, the tube's too small, I guess. Apparently it's for draining fluid off your lungs. I don't even want to think where that has been. But it is missing the big container. Big container. But it does look kind of cool. It's got a retro medical look to it. It's got power. Don't know how long it's been since it's been turned on. That plug looks to be pretty good. Let's turn it on and find out. Find out if it goes bang and then decide what we're going to do with it. As always, I have got my extension lead, so I don't have to run over to the socket that's on the wall, and it has got a switch on and off. I do like to use a block that's got a switch on and off. Plug it in. I might move my cat out of the way in case it goes bang. What does it even do? Does it light up? Does it light up? Oh, I can hear it. It's like humming. It does light up. Does it have to pressurise itself? Well, I'm certainly not going to be putting any of them tubes in my mouth or anywhere else for that thing. Oh, it's humming away to itself. Right, this. It's all a bit grimy. And the only reason why I know it's like a medical thing is because my friend was a nurse and she said to me that's like for cleaning your lungs out, but you wouldn't want to put that in your mouth, would you? You wouldn't know where it's been. But it is. Does it pressurise? I suppose you have to get to a certain amount. Aspiration. Pause. What's the plan for this thing? What would you do if your friend, I do love her, my friend, what would you do if she gave you this? What would you do with it? What could you do with it? You wouldn't want to use it for medical experiments, would you? I don't really want to leave it on too long either, but it is sort of coming away nicely. I'm going to have a think on that one. Drop me a suggestion. What could I make this into? I have just taken, oh, I don't need the lead, do I? It's supposed to have, I said my nursery friend said it's supposed to have a big glass jar here. I've got two tubes, so I'm assuming they would go into the glass jar. Would that make a cool lamp? Would that just be weird? First of all, it's going to have to get good clean down. And I think some sort of little lamp. I'm going to have to find some sort of nice big glass jar there. It'd be nice if we get a nice rounded one. See if I can make something into it. But that's on the list of things that I haven't got a clue what to do with it. Send me your suggestions. Put me in the comments. What is the plan for this? What era is it from? 1950s, 60s, 70s? Let's unplug it. Oh my God. Plug stuck in the block. There we go. Right, so that is on the make it into something list. Make it into something list. Oh, my cat's going to think that's a snake. This cat, Mau, friendly Mau. She's going to think this is a snake. She's going to want to eat it. So I'm going to have to put that out of the way because I don't really want her catching anything nasty off of that. Put it down there for now, but I will put it